Tonight, the CDC has recommended COVID-19 booster shots for kids ages 12 to 15.
Yeah, they are now saying it could become the critical step in fighting COVID-19 in our schools. Good evening to you, wherever you may be across our viewing area. I'm Chris Radcliffe.
And I'm Leslie Draffin. The CDC director is expected to sign off on the recommendation, allowing 5 million teens to get the shot. Meanwhile, Marlin ISD is extending winter break to keep kids safe after COVID cases surged in that community.
Yeah, big spike there. The district has shut down like that before, and their superintendent believes it's an effective tool to help combat the virus. Here is our Bailey Bates.
Marlin ISD students are getting a longer winter break after a district COVID-19 testing event gave officials a sign to hold off on opening just a while longer. Marlin ISD has been clear of COVID-19 for months now, according to Superintendent Dr. Henson. But the newest spike in cases hit the Marlin community hard, with 60% of people tested by the district being positive.
Prior to this current surge, Marlin ISD had not had a positive COVID case since September 20th. So we are very affirmed that what we're doing is working and keeping our students and staff health as our #1 priority.
The district is responding by pulling the plug on starting this week. And for one Bulldog parent, she's glad they're leaning on the side of caution.
Just simply because I do have 3, and so that puts us more at risk.
Victoria Banda says she isn't too excited to have the kids home longer, but knows it's what's best.
I would rather just have them home for 2-3 days as opposed to having them sick with it.
Sonia Castaneda also has 3 students at Marlin ISD, and she too is fine with winter break being extended.
They can just reopen it when cases are just getting better than right now that it's really bad. Everywhere is bad.
The learning has to take place in an environment that is safe and healthy for all involved. No doubt about it for Dr. Henson.
We know that the best place for them is to be face-to-face with their classroom teacher receiving daily instruction. However, we will continue to be mindful and watch the numbers as it relates to positive confirmed COVID cases or exposure to COVID-19.
Marlin ISD is now set to return to school Monday, January 10th, but Castaneda said she isn't so sure that's the right time either.
Not really, not right now, because it just happened, and all the gatherings, all the holidays right now, it's still soon.
Dr. Henson says that they don't plan on extending the winter break even longer at this time, but they are monitoring cases and we'll see how things play out. But he does know that when Bulldogs return, that they will be required to wear face coverings. Reporting in Marlin, Bailey Bates, 6 News.
And the district says they'll continue to keep up with other safety measures like sanitizing doorknobs and other high-touch areas, as well as maintain social distancing when possible.